You saw somebody who tried na yung bad flavor.
Yes,
Anong
the
yung
rotten.
na-try niya?
Rotten egg and vomit.
Rotten egg. So,
And,
anong itsura ng mukha niya nung na-try niya?
Para siyang natatawa na, actually, he wasn't able to swallow it.
Oh,
Nilabas siya
talaga?
din, oo.
Ibang
Kasi siguro, part din yung surprise. He
Yeah.
wasn't expecting it to taste like that.
Ay, ang cute naman. Okay, so,
Actually, when we do the spinner, we bring bottled water.
okay,
Just in
para-
case hindi nila kayanin yung lasa, yun, especially
Ah.
for the interesting flavors.
Okay. Trick or
Yan.
treat talaga, no? Ito
Yes,
naman.
behind it is plum or black pepper. So black pepper,
Okay.
medyo safe pa din siya.
Safe pa.
Kaya
Okay
pa
lang
naman.
yun, okay
oo.
lang yun.
Yan,
Okay,
I think
ito.
that one is the best kasi either berry blue or toothpaste. So both,
The
okay.
kids hate that.
I really
Brushing
the
their teeth?
toothpaste.
Brush teeth ako.
Ayun.
Oh.
So
Yan.
after that, the black one is licorice
Licorice
or
or-
skunk spray. And it
Ooh,
really
so-
smells like skunk spray. That one I've tasted already.
Talaga.
Yan.
But wait,
medyo ano siya.
do you smell like what you eat or?
Yes.
Oh God.
It smells like skunk spray talaga. So,
Yeah,
yun.
okay. Oh, sige.
And
Sige.
after that is coconut or baby wipes. This one I've tried also. The baby wipes flavor tastes like parang powder. Ganon. Yun. And the last one is cafe latte or earwax.
Okay.
Yun.
What? Earwax?
Earwax, yeah. I've tried that also. It tastes a bit
say what?
spicy.
Hindi ko marinig. Earwax.
Yeah. Tastes a bit
Talaga?
spicy, actually. Oo.
Yun talagang taste ng earwax? Yung
Yeah, I
totoong
think
earwax?
so.
You
I
think
haven't,
so?
I haven't tried the actual earwax.
Okay, so teka. So yung mga yan, that's what's contained in this box.
Yeah, in this
And
box.
how many